Nana Reku Ampim Puku, and Donna Friend and Nana Joy. Oh, ye Jachie this year, Obosumchi district a what Santimemu ha. Akoye aye, ama sukua hudo wa Jachie and an important one. Watch exercise books, school bags, and Pabua and Enema Hudo P.
You are a shining star. Your presence light the way with kindness, compassion, and care. You touch heart and show you truly care. You are the hope for the hopeless.
A shining star. Your generosity and love to the people of Bosomtwe and the country as a whole. Nana Reku Ampim, you are a shining star. Heart of gold is far. You are a blessing to all who
A shining star. Nana Reku Ampim, Mama Joyce.
Brown ne Park TV edin komono. Nana Reku echeni ni so a eso ni ahokeka abibiowo se prebia no obepeja nwomesua ewo Jachie.
Man making Yatuni Dinse sound kofa so brave now sound kofa Jachie Omegana Atnasi Emise in China Nehu Amani Edimu on my papa Runa say a beer Amama Battle Mofra Janto Yasa ni opuoso ko aye de na kanifu ya tonso afedi ya ni abaye musu se sankofa medamasi medi fie nkuno manye se ma mebeka ya tuni di se onipa da seni se wuye onipa da seni tie efutu da kaize yetufu na yentu shebre ofa efutu a wafa adepa entu onia lensai omre onipa da seni tie efutu da medamu ase
Komislo
Nami drahe mi didi abesambo mayonsa mwa mibeka matuni dinse kana mi didi ama kana yawumi obeni busuma etosusia 6 March 1957 mi didi biara mama enam sami ma eni prefonti yes wayano abodi adani garamse kwakwo siba Simon wow mi mayani bradio emo mi maida susu refonse amumekwo mi maida bobo Mama so na ni etame nyami drahe etiame tsale yana because ku wo Anglican siapo medim fe dubako mijina penny manye sama me beke matini dinse oyofo aba no oyofo nana mesene manja so tichankuna mediane bamaso oyofo aba mediane na oyofo aba no oyofo nana mesene manja be mu ejene ho esukwanuma ebeye de woriase oyofo aba no oyofo nana mesene manja be mu ejene ho se antanifo kan ya wonwa so odupontitia edubofren nesina nem manuesi medamwasi bindi ama ajuma opambo mijina pena medinfie medina Marisa mami beke ya tumi di Ghana mema omanti asuma omaya kabima minkabi ashemu I am 11 years old. I am in classes. The title of my poem is I will work hard every day. I will not waste time in play. I will persevere and never stop until I get to the top. Become the first among the best. Thank you.
Love is a beautiful thing. Indeed, love is a beautiful thing. And he makes all things beautiful in his time. Are you set for your marriage? Need intriguing, wonderful, memorable, quality pictures and videos? Then, Pag Media Production is your #1 stop point. Pag Media Production is at a Doom behind the rural police station, or call us on 0545 040001. 0545 040001. Come for your quality pictures and videos at an affordable price.
The pride of Africa is Pack TV. Pack TV, the pride of Africa.
Whoop baby ada ajwa home. I feel home away from home. Any Nana Joy Hotel, your #1 stop point.
Ubefi ya bekono na wo de serie na eko ye krokro nipa ye gi nipa fe wo so.
It was serene environment, free Wi-Fi. It was standby generator. Ya hojie ayasronko. Na your rooms no so die exquisite. Nana Joy Hotel was Jachie and Papa off Lake Road, Environs district.
Bibia bi wo ha, your conference wo ha, your restaurant wo hanom, security wo hanom.
With me a fry one my true for you so 030396694 0244374182. Come and experience home away from home.
My name is Abdallah Elham from Tamale. I would encourage all of you to watch Pack TV. You see, it is educative, they bring out your culture, a whole lot of things. I mean, actual facts. You watch Pack TV. Pack TV, the pride of Africa.
Pack TV, the pride of Africa.
Pack TV, pride of Africa. Pack TV, pride of Africa. Best news and entertainment, culture and sports. Give this hour and documentary. Pack TV, the pride of Africa. Africa, 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 Africa.
We are the pride of Africa. We give you all that you need. Pack TV, we are one people with one voice.
TV, the pride of Africa.